Imagine a place where robots or artificial intelligence were teaching in a classroom. How would you react to that? Well, today AI and technology is being used all around the world, and things like Google Home, Siri, or Alexa is being used for daily activities for people. People use it for things like taking a picture, parking a car, or asking what the weather is or what the time is. And it's constantly changing and improving. And in my research, I did a survey which I sent out to about 75 people, and out of those 75 people, 70% of them say that they do own an AI device in their homes, and that shows how more and more people are using AI in their daily lives. And McKinsey Global Institute predicts that by 2030, about 400 million people will be replaced, or 400 million jobs will be replaced by automated technology or AI. And today, technology is constantly growing, and teachers use it for things like Chromebooks, which are being used all around the United States, and also things like educational apps that are helping kids learn. And in my survey, about 5 out of the 75 of the people who took the survey were actual teachers, and 4 out of the 5 of the teachers say that AI shouldn't be used in classrooms because of one reason, and that reason is because they can't understand emotion as well as actual humans can. And that leads to the first problem, which is that AI can't understand emotions as well. And McKinsey Global Institute says that teachers, if a kid with disabilities is struggling in class and can't understand as well as other kids can, a teacher would probably come up to the kid and help him learn and get back on track. But a robot is mostly just facts-based and would just not care about the kid, or just completely ignore the kid. And also, a teacher, if a student is struggling in class with a topic or a lesson, a teacher would be able to come up to the kid and help him understand more and more of that topic, but AI would probably not do it as efficient. And another problem would be that unemployment would increase in the United States, and a U.S. Statistical census says that about 26.6 million public school teachers are teaching in the United States right now. And with that amount of teachers being replaced by AI, that would cause a big problem. And also, the middle class would also get affected by that mostly. And people like lawyers or other kinds of jobs would be affected too. And another problem is that humans are really social and like to talk to other people. And with an AI that isn't as social as humans are teaching in a classroom, that would be a problem for many kids to learn. And with problems, there are also some good things that could happen. And many teachers admit that AI and technology is efficient and even sometimes better at, than teachers at teaching some things. And McKinsey Global Institute says that another good thing about them is that they could, a teacher at Georgia University uses a chatbot with his students by email, and whenever the students had a question, they would email the robots, their chatbot, and the entire year they never actually knew it was a robot that was answering their questions. And by the end, the professor told the students that it was a chatbot that they were talking to, and they were all surprised since the chatbot actually talked and responded to their questions like an actual human would. And AI is constantly improving and changing, and that's why we should adapt to it and change our ways of thinking.